So this indicator will help you to know what the 95% of speculative traders are doing every single week. Hello traders, welcome back to GolgiFx, and this is your boy Golgi. So in this video, I will show you one indicator which helps explain and alert traders on the direction that the 95% of uninformed traders are trading. And it will also show you the direction that you should be trading. So watch this video to the end to learn how to use this indicator. If you are new to my channel, please like this video and subscribe to my channel to be notified on the coming videos. Traders, let's get into the video. So before we get into this indicator, let's first understand sentiment analysis in Forex. So in trading, we have three types of analysis. We have the fundamental, we have the technical, and sentiment analysis. And sentiment analysis tells us the total trades that have been taken in a particular market. So it gives traders the idea of where they should be looking at. So most traders add the sentiment analysis to their trading, and it helps them to confirm the direction that they're trading. So if you want to learn more about sentiment analysis, do well to subscribe to my channel for more related videos. So now, let's look at how we are going to use this indicator to help confirm the direction that we want to trade. So the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to add this indicator to my chart. So if you go to view and I click on navigator, I'll see all my indicators here. So this indicator is developed by fxssi.com, and I've named my indicator GolgiFx Sentiment Indicator. When you click on this, you have to allow detail import and click on OK. So this is my sentiment indicator. So one key thing that I want every new trader or any trader watching this video to know is, before using this indicator, the trader first have to analyze the market to see the direction that he wants to trade before coming to the indicator to see what 95% and the other 5 informed traders are doing. So now that you know that, let's come and look at the 3 things that you need to know about this indicator. So the first thing that I want you to check is the date. You could see here, this is the date that I'm recording this video, and anytime that you're using this indicator, make sure that the dates correspond to your current date, which makes this indicator updated to date. So if you check the date and the date does not correspond to the right time that you are trading or the current time that you are trading, which means the indicator is not updated. So always check this when trading. This is the key thing that you should know, because if you don't check it and you tend to trade in different times, the indicator may be giving a signal, a past signal, and you'll be looking at current direction, which can make you confused when trading. So always check the date. It's very important. The next thing that you see here, you see the buy, which is indicated with this blue box, and you could see the sell, which is also indicated with this orange box. But this one is showing us the sentiment or the number of traders who are buying and selling. So currently we can say that 47% of traders are buying AUD/USD, and also 53% of traders are also selling AUD/USD. So this is how you are going to use this indicator. Anytime that you see the buy or the blue line indicating that most traders are buying, which is, if you see it above the 60%, which means that most traders or 95% of traders are buying. And when you see the indicator, the sell, giving us 60% or above, which shows that 95% of traders are also selling this market. The next thing you should know is that if 95% of traders are buying this market, you should be looking at selling this market. And if you see that 60% of traders are selling this market, you should be looking at buying this market. And also, we see neutral here. Since now the buyers and the sellers are at equal equilibrium, we could see that it's neutral here. We can't get a trade here, which means there's no need for you to be looking at this market at this time. So let's look at the next market, which is GBP/USD. If you look here, you could see that GBP/USD, we have 66% of traders are buying this market and 34% of traders are selling this market. And you could see the signal here is saying that even though 66% of traders are buying this market, we should still look for short in this market, which means that 66% of uninformed traders are looking at this market and they are trying to buy this market while this market is selling. So that's how you use this indicator. And if you look at the time here, you could see it's corresponding with my current time. So I can say that it is updated and it's giving me the right information. So as I started my video, I told you that before using this indicator, you should analyze the market before you should come to the indicator. And if I use USDJPY, if I also check this one, you could see that 63% are selling this market and 37% are buying this market. So I always want to join the small percentage of people who are buying this market. So if you look at USDJPY now, you see it was ranging and now it has broken and now pushing to the upside. So what I'll be doing is that I can do my analysis on this market too to see that what they are telling me is right. So if I do my analysis, I can see that the market has been in a downtrend for a long time and it has bottomed here. After that, we are seeing some clean highs around this point. And as the market dropped from this high, low, higher high, we could see a clean low around this level, which indicates a reversal pattern for the market to push to the upside. So if I go to my lower time frame, you could see this is the clean low that I'm talking about. This is the double bottom. And you could see that currently around these highs, the markets have broken up. So what I'll be looking at this market is I'll wait for the market to push up and retest. It also brings me to another point whereby you should know that this indicator does not tell you the exact level you should buy, but it gives you the signal that, so it tells you that 63% of traders are selling this market and 37% of traders are buying this market. And you should be looking for buying this market, but does not give you the exact level you should buy. So you should indicate the level that you want to join the buys. So you see, as the market push up, I'll be waiting to see some highs here. And when it tends to retrace to the downside, I'll be looking for an entry around my 10 quotes, which is this level, which has now 10 supports. If I'm able to get some levels around that level, I'll be looking to buy more of USDJPY. So traders, these are some key simple things that you should note when using this indicator. It really helps you to understand what the uninformed traders are doing and what the informed traders are doing. But before using it, try to also analyze the market to understand what the market is also doing. So this is a simple way that you can use to know what the 95% of traders are doing and also the 5% of profitable traders are doing. So try this indicator out, and if you have any problem or anything, just comment it below and I'll help you with that. So traders, this is a sentiment indicator, and you can learn more about sentiment analysis, which can help you to increase your chances of becoming a profitable trader. So traders, that's all for this video. I hope you like it. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.